Starmark, the leader in self-funding for small groups. Glandon Insurance is a 25-year-old general agency in Virginia. They work with about 500 sub-brokers throughout Virginia, with some in North Carolina, Tennessee, Maryland, and West Virginia as well.
We've got 3 locations, essentially: Virginia Beach, Newport News, and our sales manager lives in Richmond, and we're primarily employee benefits.
For Glandon Insurance, the Affordable Care Act, also known as PPACA, created a unique need for small groups that Starmark was able to quickly fill and bring big benefits to his agency.
We have been with Starmark and selling self-funded probably almost 2 years now, and of course with the advent of PPACA for small groups, level funded, self-funded, makes a lot of sense.
Starmark, in my opinion, is the leader in self-funding for small groups for a couple of reasons. The flexibility in plan design is probably the top. Networks are always important. That's generally the very first question that they ask outside of how self-funding works is, well, what is the network like? The ability to have the choice of different networks and the ability to have good networks to use is really helpful.
Starmark has been doing this for years, and it shows. And their process is seamless, from the ability to quote deductibles out of pocket, flexible in terms of any refund. It truly is the leader for us.
Among the big attractions to Starmark's self-funded employee health plans is the opportunity for employers to get money back at the end of the year if their claim funds go unused. Employers have 4 refund options to choose what works best for them. And in terms of broker and customer support, Starmark has also received the highest of marks.
Overall, my experience with Starmark has been great. As a company, Starmark is just very easy to work with. Their website is number one, incredibly easy to use. They have a toolkit library out on the broker website that allows us to go in and get different marketing pieces. There's a lot of useful ACA information out there, so the information that Starmark makes available in that broker toolkit is very valuable.
Everything works like they said it was going to work. If we need something, if we need an answer, we get an answer. They don't leave us hanging. They give us great support. They take the relationship very seriously. So it really has been, in the insurance world, a new experience.
100%. If a broker is not showing small group self-funding right now, I think they're going to be missing out on business. That's missing out on new business that they could be getting that they didn't have before, and then that's also keeping the existing business that they've got right now, because they are going to have existing clients that are going to be a good fit for it. So if it's not a product that's in their arsenal, then they could be missing out on business.
To learn more about self-funding with Starmark, contact your Starmark distribution partner or visit www.starmarkinc.com.